Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and guess what? We are on April 19th and we are going to have a frost tonight because spring is annoying. So I'm bringing all my little tender babies inside both houses. And even though I keep saying it's too early for tomatoes, and I actually haven't sown any tomatoes yet, I have amassed a tomato collection so that I could have some plants available for sale at the open garden on Saturday, May 7th. But that means I have to bring all of those plants inside for tonight. Happily, after tonight, the forecast is looking exceptionally frost-free. I sure hope this is the last time. Spring, you're a jerk. And all of these plants that I started potting up have to come in. And there are my helpers. Hi. Hi, Team Stupid Frost in April. So we're gonna put in plastic. We have all those sweet potatoes up here to come in. And of course we have all of these plants that also have to come in. Because not only will they get severely damaged, but you know, they're not hardened off. They came from a greenhouse. And that's the biggest thing about this time of year. If you've been at garden centers buying plants, those plants haven't been acclimated to the ups and downs of the reality of outside. And that's where the biggest trouble comes into play. So the irony of this is that David worked really hard yesterday to get this all cleaned up and organized so it felt more like a house. What do I do immediately?
You turn it into a greenhouse.
Thank goodness for these Dutch crates so these can be stacked. And next year, what will we have?
We'll have a greenhouse, a hoop house.
We are not starting a nursery, but for spring open garden, people want plants. I tried to deliver, but the weather is a jerk. I am officially going to say it. I hate spring.
Oh no, don't say it.
I hate spring. Look at this scene, you guys. It's the most ridiculous thing ever. Guess it is a good thing we don't have any Airbnb guests yet. So I literally just posted a video about planting my succulents out. And no, they are not. They are tender to frost. So I think I'm just going to cover this up. I'm not going to unplant it. But all the others that are in containers are going to get shoved back into the shed. All right, so we've got all the succulents put back into the heated shed. I am aggravated beyond comprehension right now. I really thought that I was safe to pull them out. I hate doing this sort of stuff over and over again. So there we have it. We're now drinking beer out of frustration because this season is stupid. And I've still got to figure out how to cover up my table.
We'll come up with something, sure. Cheers.
At least Hoogarten fixes my mood. Well, look at this.
It's a succulent table tent.
It's like you made a little tent. It really is. I bet that that will do the trick. Good job, David.
You're welcome, sure.
I'll give everybody an update on how the succulent table fares, but I think this will work to keep the frost off. And just to be cute, we added an end cap. Frost can go away now. Well, we all hope that you stay warm and ideally above freezing. And I sincerely hope this is the last cold snap that we are going to experience for 2022. I can't believe we're on April 19th. This is not the last frost date that I've ever experienced. I think the Easter freeze of 2008 was somewhere around 20th or 22nd. We got to 18 degrees. So really, this isn't that big of a deal, but it's still super annoying. Well, wishing you the best. Hope that this video will remind you to go out and check any of your tender plants and bring them in one last time.